Microsoft is exploring a $10 billion acquisition of gamer chat app Discord. You ever heard of this app, Discord?
I've heard of it many times, but I've never used it.
Interesting.
It is very useful, I've heard.
It's dominant.
Yes.
This app is dominant. How about, listen, how about this, Will?
Okay.
How about this? 1 second. Oh, hang on. Hang in there. It was in here, I promise. How about 100 million users?
That's something.
I want to make sure I had the number right.
Right.
100 million users. Oh, wow. Yeah. Apparently.
You and I are not one of them.
Apparently.
Or two of them.
This is a $10 billion company.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, just a quick $10 billion company.
They're doing all right.
Have a time, have a chat. No problemo. Now, obviously, this thing is a chat app targeted mostly at gamers. Microsoft is interested. Microsoft, they've been making a splash because they got the ZeniMax Media with Bethesda and all that. That was $7.5 billion. Now you drop another 10 billies and you just like gobble up gamer culture. You got the big time developer. You get the chat app belongs to you. You gotta be sensitive. I mean, you gotta be careful with that stuff though, because when you have an application that people love, there's gonna be a lot of eyeballs on you. You make an acquisition like that. Like, hey, are you gonna leave it alone? What are you gonna screw up?
Yeah.
Because I depend on this. Type of thing. But anyway, they're exploring the idea, and investors seem to like it. They're kind of into the Microsoft stock at the moment because they're like, yeah, that's a hot app. We want to be a part of that. And I think most people want to be a part of 100 million users. You know, there's a lot of ways you can make money off 100 million users. Well,
yeah, what's that?
Well, I'm just saying. No, I'm just saying. Like monetization is you can figure that out. How is that?